Okay, everybody, this is Mesh. Finally got the vehicle back started. Okay, finally, I was out here. Everything's back connected, but now I do see a check engine light. I do see a check engine light now. Okay, and that wasn't there before. Alright, so it means it's now getting some reading of something. The VSA light. Okay, I thought I turned it off. Maybe it'll go off. And now, forgot what that light meant. I guess ABS, SRS. Alright, at least it's back running. Okay. I'm trying to diagnose it. Haven't checked the shifters yet. I'm waiting about 30 seconds before I try to shift it. And hopefully that's that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back outside and look real quick. But I did think I found the culprit. One of the solenoids is leaking. And here goes the evidence. Of the evidence. So I have to get that replaced, but I'm just glad that the vehicle is started. Looks like it's back where it's at.